what I want to showcase for you today is Kling AI. I'm going to take you through the settings, the things to be aware of so that you produce fantastic video. So it's still to video image generation with the most realistic transitions that I've seen to date. Note that things change in AI every day. So this is where we're at right now. Right, we go into klingai.com and you select the video generator, which is the icon. I'm already in there. At the very top, the generator you want to select is video 2.1, which allows you to do start image to end image. And I'll tell you why this is really important. So if you are doing multiple transitions from, for example, my example that I'm doing here is when someone is growing up from young to old, you want to start it at one point and then end it at the next phase. So for example, I choose the start photo and the end photo. And then when you generate this video, the next phase, you start with the end image and then you move to another end image. For example, you just switch them around. So your settings, your start image, your end image. Note, it is best to have these in the same layout. So if you want all portrait, make sure that they're all portrait. If you want all landscape for wide view, make sure they're all landscape, and it works even better if they're exactly the same size. So you can do that through one of your editing applications. So a prompt in here, what I used is a really nice prompt. So add realistic motion and make her hair move slightly in the breeze. Okay, right, we want to take the sound effects off. We don't need those, and it's going to be 5 seconds. Professional mode just defaults, and it's going to cost 35 tokens. Okay, so when you generate this, you just generate and it takes it from your total, whatever your total may be, and you end up with, this is the end product, and I just want to play it for you. So you can see she starts as a little girl and then it ends a bit bigger. Okay, so that's the first one. Then the next one you want to, so that's a video. Then you say, once you generate it, you can download it over here, download. You can like it or not like it, depending on how it ended up. And then the next one, we take away the start, we move the end one to the start, and we choose the next phase, which is going to be a little bit older. Then I'll show you how this one turned out. So this is the start, hover over it, and that's the end. So that's that particular video. Now, how you merge all of these together is in a video platform, something like a video editing, iMovie. I use Premiere Pro. You can use whatever you like. And then because it's moving from doing multiple videos, the best way I find to assist this looking really beautiful is to add a soundtrack. And one of my go-tos will be Ben Sound. So that is a free editing, free attribution audio that you can download from there. So you put all your videos together and the transitions should work beautifully, and then you align some music with it and then export, and then you're done. So that's pretty much it. I used 12 images, so 12 videos, which was about a minute, and they cost about 35 tokens each. So I would probably say work on all your settings first and your prompt to ensure that you've got a really simple, not too many details, solution for your image to video. And that's pretty much it. Let me know in the comments to see what you think. Thanks for being here. Like and subscribe.